Alright guys, this is me receiving the car about a couple weeks ago now. Just throwing this video together, see how this works out. My first web creation of any kind of content. It's a 92 Mitsubishi Galant VR4. It's an RS Tribute. I got it from California, clean car. I'm really happy with it so far. And some things I gotta take care of it, you know. That's what you gotta do when you have a project car, you know. But I'll get it done. Been a long time waiting for a car like this to come back into my hands after I got rid of my white one about 15 years ago now. It's crazy. Just glad to be back in the game. So, I hope you enjoy some of the content I'm gonna be putting out there for you guys. We'll see how this goes. Thanks for watching.